Crypto is a money maker once you know the simple day trading strategy that I'm going to give you, and it works on every crypto pair, and it's my personal cryptocurrency trading model. So for those who are asking, here it is, this is the real source. So make sure you like and subscribe for more great videos on crypto. Okay, so I'm going to make this trading model as simple as possible, and I've made it as simple as possible. Now, what you need is you need to use the 4-hour chart and then your entry time frame. So for the 4-hour chart, what we're going to do is we're just going to target either the most obvious high or low that price is going to go for, right? Now, I'm not going to explain liquidity in much depth here, right? I'm really not going to talk much about it at all, right? All you need to know is that price will go for highs and lows on the higher time frame. That's it. Now, if you want to know more about that, there's loads of videos on the channel about liquidity. I'll put one on screen now if you're interested. But for this model here, I just want you guys to go and make money with it, right? I'm not going to teach you the theory, and all we care about here is making money, right? No BS. So you've got to ask yourself at this point right here, is price most likely to go for this low right here, right? Is it most likely to go for this low, which I marked out, or is it likely to go for, let's say, this high here or this high here? Where is price most likely to go to next? Is it likely to go for the low or the high, right? Hopefully it's pretty obvious that price wants to go for these lows here, right? These lows here. Now, there are lots of stop loss orders at this low, right? Lots of stop loss orders here because of support and resistance, and that is what liquidity really is, right? And there are two schools of thoughts, right? There are the traders who think that price is going to come to this level, right, where this level is, and bounce off all the way up. And then there are other traders like me who know that's a load of BS, right? There's two things that price will do. It'll either smash through this level right here and continue downwards, or it will just come down, take out anyone who had their stop loss orders here, and then quickly reverse in the opposite direction. But either way, price is going to come towards these lows, right? Price is going to come down and it's going to go towards these lows. Now, why am I telling you this, and why does this matter? What this does is it gives you the direction, right? And when you've got the direction, you know, in trading, you're 90% of the way there. Not many people talk about that, but once you've got the direction right, you are 90% of the way there. So what that really means is we are bearish until price hits this level, right? So we're going to get on the lower time frames, and we're just going to look for any opportunity to get short like this and ride price down until it hits this low. So let's get onto the lower time frames and look for our entries and start making money. Okay, so for this strategy, you can use literally any time frame that you like, but for me, I like to use the 15-minute chart for crypto, because I can just get on the chart, I can set up my orders, and I can move on with my life. Because I've actually now I have a life, right? After years of trading, I'm finally starting to have a life. So what you're gonna do, and for this model is as easy as it gets, is we're gonna enter on a Fibonacci retracement, right? So you're gonna put your Fibonacci from the high to the low, and then you're gonna enter at the 0.705 level. So let me get my settings up, right? You're gonna enter at the 0.705 level, which is this, right? Now, the Fibonacci isn't magic. Fibonacci is not moving price. The only reason why price is moving is because what I said on the higher time frames, what I said on the, I guess, the previous section, right? Is price is only gonna move for the highs and lows on the 4-hour chart, on the daily chart, right? Now, I'm not gonna get into detail about why that is. That's not what this video is about. But all you're gonna do is you're gonna enter at the 0.705 level, put your stop loss at that high, and then for me personally, there's two things you can do. You can either target this low with your Fibonacci and get a 2.37 risk reward ratio every time because Fibonacci is fixed, or you can just do what I do, which is target a 3-to-1, right? Because more money, more money, that's why. So you guys get the point, right? And then you just let price do its thing. Set up your limit order. This can be, I mean, this is on the weekend, right? So you set up your limit order and let price do its thing, right? Let price do its thing. Tags you in. Might have hit your take profit, and then there we go. Smashes through your take profit. Now, there's a few entries you can get, which is why I really like the 15-minute chart. So if we just go back here, I mean, that's an let me just make this clear. So if you, let's say you risk if you had 1K on this trade, that right there is like 3K in a few hours, right? So nice, easy, consistent bread and butter trade. If you want another setup, we come all the way here to Fibonacci from this high, right? This low. Here's your second entry. Right? And of course, this is the 15-minute chart, right? If you're on the 5-minute chart, you're going to get more entries. If you're on the 1-minute chart, you're going to get way more entries, but you will have a lower win rate. So it's just a trade-off. So if you like the 5-minute or 1-minute chart, use whatever time frame works for you. But again, it's the exact same thing, right? The exact same thing, regardless of the time frame. So for me, easy, free risk reward ratio. And you can see, right? You can see I don't like this phrase, but I always leave money on the table, right, so to speak. It depends on you. It depends on the trader, because you either leave money on the table or you price reverses and hit your stop loss. So for me, I'm happy with a free risk reward ratio. For you, it could be, this minus 0.5 level. It could be a 4-to-1. It could be whatever. So do what's comfortable for you. Because at the end of the day, it's your money that you're trading, right? You're not trading my money. You're not trading anyone else's money. You're trading your money. So if you're comfortable with a 4 risk reward ratio, or a 1-to-1, or a 2-to-1, you do that. For me, I'm only going to risk my money if I'm going to get, triple my money back. So, yeah, that's just for me. Let's just clean up these charts here. And I hope it's really important. The only reason this works is because we have the direction on the 4-hour chart, right? The only reason it works is because we've got this overall direction that we were talking about, right? That liquidity. So, do we get any more entries? I don't think we actually do on the 15-minute chart. But of course, if you get on the 5-minute chart, you will get an entry. I mean, this would have been a nice entry right here, which we don't get. Ideally, price would have tapped our entry and then dropped, right? Doesn't even do that, it is what it is. This is realistic trading, right? This is realistic trading. When you get on the charts, price isn't always going to come, right? Isn't always going to come and tap your stop loss. Oh, sorry, it might always do that, eh? It won't, it's not always going to come, tap your entry and go straight to your take profit, right? It's not how these markets work. A lot of times, you're going to come on here, you're going to set your limit order up, you're going to do everything right, you're going to get the bias right, the direction right, and price is just going to do this. It's going to do this. It's going to come near your entry and then drop, right? And the key thing is, you don't go crazy. You don't start, chasing price. You don't change your model or anything. You just let price do its thing. This is realistic trading. Now, of course, if you go on the 5-minute, 1-minute chart, there's a lot more entries, but I want to show you the exact same example, but I want to do it on Ethereum this time. Okay, so here we are on Ethereum, and we're going to use the 4-hour chart, as always, to find our highs and lows to target. Now, you can use a daily chart, but you're going to get a lot less highs and lows to target. You can't use the 1-hour chart, by the way, and I'll talk more about that in a future video, but all you need to know is what is price most likely to do, right? Is it most likely at this point right here? So if you get on your charts and you see this, what is price most likely to do? Is it most likely to take out this low, right here? Or is it likely to come all the way up? Let's just remove this. Is it likely to take out a high, right? Is it likely to do something like this? Come all the way up and take out this high, or even come all the way up and take out these highs? Which one's more likely? Right? Which one's more likely to happen? I hope it's pretty obvious, right? I hope it's pretty obvious that price wants to come straight for these lows. It wants to smash right through these lows. Now, what that means for us as day traders, as scalpers, or even as swing traders, is we just want to look for any sort of retracement and ride price down to this level. So now that we've got our direction, now that we know we're bearish, now we're only going to look to sell, we're only going to look for shorts. Now and only now are we going to get onto our entry time frame and look for our entries. Okay, so now that we've got our direction, now we're going to get onto our entry time frame, which again, I'm going to use the 15-minute chart. You can do the exact same thing on the 5-minute or 1-minute chart. We're only going to look to sell, right? And I'm going to give you a few entries that I can see. So if we get our Fibonacci from this high to this low right here, you see our price hits the 0.705 level. That right there is your easy, high probability short. So stop loss, I don't know why it's all the way up here. You're gonna put it at the high. You can, I mean, look, this, you can, if you really wanted to, you can target this low, the old liquidity. But for me, free risk reward ratio, consistency is key, right? Consistency is key with trading. You want the same thing. You want reliability and consistency and predictability in trading. And yeah, for me, free risk reward ratio is fine. For you, it might be a 10-to-1. So you do whatever you feel comfortable with. But this entry pattern works, right? This entry pattern with the overall direction works, right? It's an absolute money maker. It's what I use. And here's another one I actually took. You see this high all the way to this low. Now this is the more of a, you might be holding for like entire day, maybe even for 2 days doing this. But let's go all the way up. Move our stop loss right to this high here. And then target a free risk reward ratio. Now, of course, you're not going to get an insane risk reward ratio if you have a huge stop loss like I do here, right? You're not going to have an insane risk reward ratio. But for me, I like a 3-to-1. And I know where price wants to go. I know it wants to go to this low. It gets me in the trade, hits my take profit. It is what it is, right? For me, I'm happy with that. Another trade, which you could have taken, let's remove this, is you could have taken this trade all the way over here. Let me make this a lot more obvious, right? You could put your Fibonacci from this high to this low here. And for those who know, there's a bit of liquidity here. And if you don't know what that is, absolutely fine. Don't worry about it. But you enter at here, at this high, put your stop loss there. And again, entirely up to you. Again, if you target this low, let's say, if you want to target this liquidity low, its overall low, you would suffer a huge retracement, and then price eventually would hit your take profit. But for me, I don't like that. If I'm up, if I'm up a few $1,000s, I want my money ASAP. I don't want to see it reverse. I get very angry when I'm up in profit and it reverses against me. So for me, I'm happy with 3 to 1, right? Nice, easy. I mean, you're in this trade. Let me see, 5:45 to 8:30. Here we go. I've got maths degree. What's that? 2 hours and 45 minutes, right? Less than 3 hours, and you tripled your money. For me, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. That's what I use on every single financial market that I trade. And it's the exact same setup. I get the direction using the 4-hour chart, sometimes a daily if it's not clear on the 4-hour chart, and then I look for the exact same entry pattern. And the time frame changes depending on what I'm trading, but this exact same setup worked for me on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute chart, 4-hour chart, daily chart. It works on every single time frame. And it's all you need to trade crypto or any market profitably. And what I will say is, if, let's say this is your first time, like with liquidity, with all these like weird trading concepts, is make sure you watch this full, completely free 2-hour trading course where I teach you everything you need to know about trading. And it works on all markets: crypto, forex, stocks, indices, futures, penny stocks, options, anything. So make sure you go watch that 2-hour trading course on screen now.